Hi, I'm Paul Avery. I'm one of the product training engineers with Yaskawa's Technical Training Services Group. In this e-learning module, we'll be discussing Yaskawa's DriveWizard HVAC software. DriveWizard HVAC is a free Windows-based software tool designed to make commissioning and troubleshooting of Yaskawa drives as simple as possible. First things first, if you don't already have DriveWizard HVAC, be sure to download it from our website. It can be easily found using the search bar in the upper right corner of the Yaskawa homepage. Select the first search result for DriveWizard HVAC. The page the link will take you to will provide a download software link. DriveWizard HVAC is compatible with all Z1000 and Z1000U drives and bypass packages, and most V1000 and E7 drives. There's a huge amount of features in DriveWizard HVAC. With that in mind, we will break our overview into shorter videos, each with a particular topic regarding DriveWizard HVAC. The video you are currently viewing is a short introduction simply reviewing the topics which will be discussed. We will start out with the basics of DriveWizard HVAC. This includes coverage of the system requirements necessary to run DriveWizard and tips on installing the software. Also, the various connection methods will be demonstrated, including tips for the driver installation for the different types of connections that require drivers. In the programming section, we will explain everything there is to programming your Yaskawa drive using DriveWizard HVAC. We will start with reading and writing operations leading into the various exporting and sharing options. Additionally, you will learn the best way to transmit vital parameters and monitors to Yaskawa's technical support group. The third section will cover monitoring functions. This section touches on how to access monitors, use custom displays, check statuses, and also covers various tricks for trending data. DriveWizard HVAC can also control the drive right from your PC. Section 4 will explain when and how to utilize this tool, and also demonstrate the proper way to disengage PC control of the drive and return control back to the drive's proper control scheme. An important concept to understand is that DriveWizard HVAC operates with a database. This means that parameters listed in the program are pulled from installed databases, dependent on the drive's firmware. This will be discussed further in Section 5. There are some pretty powerful tools within DriveWizard HVAC. The application wizard makes setup much easier, especially for someone new to drives. Also, the once tedious task of jumping from an older VFD generation to the newest generation will prove to be much easier once you gain an understanding of the Convert Project tool. DriveWizard HVAC's help menu is explored in the final section, and we will show how to navigate through the robust help menu. There is a lot of customization that can also be done within this menu. Lastly, the software update feature is discussed.